Hey, look what I found! My trusty old piggy bank! First, let me explain the basics of the piggy bank. How does the piggy bank level up? There is no wrong choice. No matter you pick, the piggy bank will always come back. We are in luck. It looks like the piggy bank was already full. Okay. That was a lot of goodies. Let's get more piggy coins. Alright. Holy crap. I need to go to the toilet while still playing the game. Alright, let's go. Let's play this game again. Alright, main goal, 25. Alright, we have another goddamn anchovy who was always hungry. Another combo. I don't want to let any food customers to lead away. Sorry that I left that customer a bit sad. And over there. How does everyone want them now? That's just not fair. Oh, goddamn anchovies. They're really scary. I still like anchovies. What do you know about less? Yes, another 5x combo. Sorry that I made the customer cry. Yes, another one. There we go, and then save this one for me. Nom nom nom. Oh, nice. You got a piggy coin. Remember, you can only collect them once a day. You earned your piggy coin of the day. Okay. Oh, 20 out of 30. I'm doing good. That looks really disgusting. Alright. I'm at level 21. Slay the Spice. Let's play Slay the Spice. Connection issues. I know what to do. I can turn it on. Let me just wait about a few moments until I get out of the toilet. Oh, would you look at that? Another plate for me. Oh, it's completed. Okay, guys. I just had to came back from the toilet, but I need a drink. I need some orange juice. Okay, guys. Now I have my orange juice. Let's play Slay the Spice. What Slay the Spice is gonna be? We don't know. How to play. Choose a destination, earn spicy points by winning levels, collect famous prizes from the season pass, okay? On your journey, you may encounter cooking location, customers await, serve them to earn spice bucks. Mystery location, easy, medium, hard. What will it be? Mistlestone. A spicy cooking challenge with a great award. A great award? A great orange juice? One last thing before you go. Energy points. Energy points are needed to move location to location. Gain energy awards by winning regular levels and watching ads. The larger crowd. The greater the challenge and the bigger the reward. Beware, any reward not claimed will not be available after the end of the event. Okay, let's go to the very first one. Alright, easy level. I'm picking 2 boosters. They will make me really hungry for juice. Let's see, you can use boosters. I had to activate 2 boosters because 2 boosters are a hunk. Alright, main goal. Alright. Mr. Krabs Special and Jim the Waiter. Alright, what are we doing here? Okay, Mr. Krabs Special. What? Oh, it is Sandy! How is Sandy's in this game? Like, what the? Who's that? Old man. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, okay. That was really easy. A job well done. Here's your reward for clearing an easy level. Or clearing an easy orange juice. What's a question mark? What is it? An easy level. Alright. We're gonna make things clear with this. Alright, here we go. Boosters activated. Mr. Krabs Special and Jim the Waiter. I've not met this customer before. Sandy's back? Right. Here we go. I'm so confused. How am I supposed to think everything? Alright, here we go. We're doing great. Roast these first. Oh my god, it's Tom that we saw! How is he he's not actually a hunk. Okay, what? We need to cook the other one. Is that Fred, the My Leg guy? Alright, we need another one of these. Patrick again! What are you doing? What is Patrick thinking? Why is Patrick and Sandy doing right there? Well, 1 French fry for me then. Yes, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm not another ad. Why? I'm not playing the Super Mario game. And it also has another countdown. Alright. Let's just keep playing this event. Let's go to another easy one. How can we... What? I might use the 2 boosters again. This is my last one. Oh, Mr. Krabs Special and Jim the Waiter again. Everything looks different now. Oh my god, it's Old Man Walker. Bubble Bass! Alright, so how am I supposed to do these? I don't know why am I doing right here. Oh, no. No! I'm doing so horribly. I'm doing it really horribly. Oh no, it's Sandy. How is Sandy doing there? Is she trying to be a hunk? No. What does this guy want? Alright, here we go. I'm scared. Make this thing look even cool. Please hurry up with the time. Here we go. Is this guy back already? A drink. Okay. What is Larry the Lobster doing there? Okay. It's the my leg guy again. What the? Defeat! I just got a defeat! I don't want to play this event. This is just too not easy or medium or hard. I quit. I don't want to do this event.